Clearing your search history on Dropbox can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into Dropbox. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access the search bar. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the Dropbox interface. Click on it to reveal your recent search history. Step 3. View recent searches. As you click on the search bar, a drop-down will appear showing your recent searches. This list displays all the terms you have searched for recently. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To remove a specific search term, hover over the term you want to delete. You should see an option to remove or clear that particular search. Click on it to delete the search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history at once, look for an option such as Clear All or Delete All Searches in the drop-down menu. Confirm your choice to remove all entries from your search history. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Dropbox, ensuring your privacy and a cleaner interface.